Time to check out the filters known as Pixelate. You've got color halftone, which is basically a simulation of a halftone screen. If we go into color halftone, we can choose the radius and the channels for the angles on that channel. And we could choose different angles, like maybe one's at 12, one's at 45, one's at 90. It's almost like a 4-color press, and one's at 120. Click OK. It's taking the pixels based on radius and making a square, and then what's in the square, it's averaging and turning into a circle, a halftone pattern. Useful sometimes in printing, actually. Let's press undo. Go back up to Filter, Pixelate. Crystallize, let me show you that one too. Let's go to Crystallize. Crystallize basically creates cells of a size, and here's the size over here. Let's actually take that out somewhere, oh, I don't know, say like that, and click OK. We, of course, have something that does not even resemble remotely what we used to have. Go up to the word filter, go down to the word blur, maybe do a motion blur. What am I suggesting? Making a pattern. I don't use filters just to enhance images. I use them sometimes to make some really cool background patterns. Crystallize is a good one for that. Go ahead and cancel and press undo. Filter, Pixelate. We've got facet, and basically what that one does is it clumps pixels of solid color together in like colors. Fragment creates 4 copies of the pixels in the selection, averages them, and offsets them from each other. To me, it looks blurred. You can play around with these. Mezzotint. Let's go mezzotint. What mezzotint does is it converts images into random patterns of black and white areas, or fully saturated colors, based on the type. Actually, an interesting feature. Let's go ahead and click cancel out of that. Go back up to the word filter and go down to Pixelate. The last two are mosaic and pointillize. Now, mosaic clumps pixels into squares, like a mosaic. Pointillize breaks up the colors of an image into randomly placed dots. A painting. It's a painting technique. If we go into mosaic, just real quick, you can see it's creating, in a sense, this mosaic look. And if we go into the last one, pointillize, it creates these points based on cell size. Of all of the ones that we just looked at, the one I find useful if I'm going to print sometimes is doing the color halftone. Other than that, these are special effect filters.